This week's portion, Tavo, highlights for us the difficulty Moses and subsequent leaders had to keep the people of Israel committed to following the covenant. There were several methods in which God and Moses together worked to maintain the people's commitment to the covenant, to maintain their people's faith in God and their commitment to want to follow the traditions of Israelite religion, what would become Judaism, and to incorporate these practices and values in their lives. The people experienced the plagues in Egypt, the Exodus from Egypt through the crossing of the sea. They experienced the revelation of God at Mount Sinai and the giving of the Ten Commandments. They experienced together the building of the Mishkan, the portable sanctuary. They saw subsequent miracles that happened for them in the desert. Yet the people continue to stray from God's path and continue to worship a golden calf, or to complain about how there's no water or no food in the desert. In this week's portion, Tavo, Moses tells the people that when they enter the land of Israel, they are supposed to conduct a ceremony that would take place between two neighboring hilltops, between Mount Aval and Mount Gerizim, on which half of the community is on one hilltop, the other half on the other, and the Levites will be reciting these curses to the people, that if we fail to do this, then this will happen. Amen, they recite, this series of 12 curses. And also, the people are supposed to write the Torah down on stones that would be set up as permanent monuments on a hilltop in Israel as well. And so from writing the Torah on stone to the people actually being involved in this very pageant, this ceremony that happens on these two hilltops, and throughout everything else that we learned about from the Torah, we understand how difficult it is to incorporate new values into our lives. It's just not enough to learn about them and to say, oh, that sounds good, I think I'll follow it. We understand that innately human beings have a difficult time in incorporating change in their life. And so Moses understands this, God understands this, and through these variety of mechanisms, it was hoped that the people would incorporate commitment to the covenant. Shabbat Shalom.